Pulling 3, 2, 1.
Selfish.
You know it.
Selfish bitch. See, I was gonna say that, but then I was like, eh. We all know by now, I give no fuck.
Text has joined the channel.
Bello coming?
Well, that thing's got some serious dots on it. You might want to just
get on it.
Yeah, I'm just
Get on it.
Beware.
MCing. Quand j'attaque avec l'ingénieur, c'est quoi tu veux j'attaque en priorité?
Le below.
Même si
But,
ending soon.
en bas de 50%.
euh...
Moi j'attaque à spell spar.
Oh oui, ça marche aussi. Ça dérange pas parce que ça fait moins de damage sur les
Crossbow.
tanks.
Dropping.
Duke has left the channel.
And watch out, there's about to be a bag. Good.
Beware.
Alright, there will be a bellow. We need to kill it. Get on it.
Oh, blood fencer up.
Sick. On the bellow, guys. It will be over soon.
Beware.
Just need one bomb.
Phase 2. Phase 2?
Alright, roar to your spot.
Don't stand in front of the... GS.
Slag elemental coming. 1.
Beware.
I'm hitting.
You can M, guys. Watch out, melee. Warden M right after. It's overkill, but hey, whatever.
Beware.
All the amps.
At the same time.
I'd make your way to the elementalist.
Oh, look at that slug. Who's placing it like that?
Shameless praise.
Slag elemental coming.
I'd get on the diamond.
Beware.
There's gonna be a bomb.
There's a
Watch
bomb in melee.
Oh, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. It's far away. Free dot. Let's go.
Excellent play done, by the way.
Beware.
Breaking MC.
Let's close. Alright, move.
5,
On trip DX.
3,
There we go.
1.
Perfect. Just cleave everything with DX. Finish those fire colors while you start DPSing the elementalist.
Slag elemental coming. 3, 5,
Beware.
load. 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Alright. Leave. The diamond is right there. Good job. Just kill the diamond.
Aura.
I got this
5, load.
Beware.
2, 1.
It's fine. Keep cleaving. The fire colors and the diamond. Then we'll kill the primal.
Beware.
Alright, get the primal.
Slag
Beware.
elemental coming. 4,
Kill his sack.
More damage, guys. Go. Alright. Oh, why did we kill that elementalist? Kill Feldspar. Spread out. Alright, who has the next elementalist? Are they all dead? Oh, diamond is up. Diamond is up. I'll go interrupt it. What
Beware.
next? Alright, move. We're a diamond.
Stack.
Perfect. AoE everything down. Can you grip that fire color end? I guess range can kill it.
Beware.
Horn, get the
Make
next
sure
one.
you spread. Alright, it's about to die.
5. Run out. 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Ghost down.
Slag elemental coming. 5.
You can start cleaving a bit.
Beware.
5. Run out. 3, 2, 1.
Healing.
I'd kill those fire colors. Where's the next marked?
Exit's on me right now.
Oh, it's on you? Thank you. It's about to die too. Good timing.
Gas amp.
Achilles
I'd
stack.
kill the elementalist. Good. Perfect on the diamond. I will interrupt again. Alright, good. Melee, watch out when it dies, not take too much damage. Leave those fire color down. Although we'll need to single target soon. Alright,
Warden amp.
lust now, lust now. Single target, kill it.
Aiden, stack.
Everything you have, guys. Need to die.
Phase 3.
Perfect.
Range
Killian, you
on
take
the
it
wall,
first.
in the back.
Range away, AoE everything down.
Achilles
AoE
stack.
everything down.
So he's taken 2. And then me.
Yes. Then you're doing 2.
Make sure you place the melt correctly.
Je vais coller les mains dessus.
Melt on chili. Oui, vas-y. Back up, tank. Back up. Give some space to range a bit. Finish those security guard.
Melt on
That
LJ.
taunt.
Slag elemental coming. 7.
Alright, gooch down.
Melt on Achilles.
Taunting.
Kiss aura, the next one. Melt on the High Warden.
Rebellion. Ignite it.
Alright. Back out slightly, tank,
Melt
not
on
too
Belief.
much.
So we're just doing heat, right?
Just one. So can you taunt it? Taunt him,
Melt
Ken?
on Glen. Melt on the Horn.
I have 1 steer.
I have the boss now.
Gas amp. Melt on Chili.
Slag elemental coming. 8.
I'd back out slightly. Not too much. Not too much.
Melt
Alright,
on
good.
chili.
It's good.
Do we have a Fox?
I have the boss.
Fox out.
Fox, I don't
Perfect.
have the boss.
Thank you.
Do you
Melt
still have the boss?
on
I'm trying to
Lolly.
get him.
You might not be able to. And if
Alright,
not,
back out a
No, I
bit.
can't.
Like
I can't.
5 yard.
Horn Trank, the next one.
Yeah, he's mute.
PS.
Just
I got it,
survive.
I got it, I got it.
I gotta move
on
Melt.
Horn.
I back out.
Whenever.
I warden amp.
Move, Ken.
Tranking.
Move again,
Melt
tank.
on Achilles.
This is where we have to go a little quicker.
We have so much room for his health.
Yeah. It's
Just
fine.
relax,
Play it
just
easy.
No, let's keep scooting along.
Move back again.
Melt on High.
Slag
I'm hemming
elemental
this.
coming. 9.
Can you on chili?
We have 3 res. Get
Res
We
the
both
have
of
top.
3
them.
reses.
Yeah, res both of them. Make sure you're played safe. Res them in melee. Play it
Melt
safe.
on me.
Res them in.
Chill.
Move it back.
Head back out. Perfect.
I have the
Perfect.
boss.
Melt on Arrow. We lost.
Yeah, reload for them.
Alright,
Thank you.
I'm taunting.
3 minutes are back up.
Don't have it.
Man, just self cooldown. Go to town.
Pop everything.
Pop everything.
Good job.
Yeah.
Let's
go!
Yes!
Nice.
And you fucked up the loop. Ninjing everything.
Wow, yes.
Fucked up all the loot. What the
Tyree
fuck,
didn't
Terry?
believe. Damn it.
Never
Tyree.
mind, I rolled the trinket.
Oh my
Nice,
goodness.
Reds.
Okay, good job, guys. It was really, really.
See, that was not having